Hi friend, today we are coming new tent, camping tent. You can use like this. You can go anywhere like this because this one no have too much weight, only just 2.5 kg. And today I say you how to open this. I show you how can open this one, how can use. You just see. And you seen my video first to last, because if you don't see full video, you don't know how can use this one. Okay, you just see and I show how can use this one. Just you open this one and you take the top side and open four stick. Okay, you just open four stick, folding stick. Okay, and then automatic open this stand, because top have and heavy duty and spring, stick have together spring. That's why this stand is open automatic. Now automatic open, no have any roof, no have. And this tent have size 2 meter square, and you can sleeping 4%, 3%, 2%, anything. And have one door and one windows, and have net. Door have one net and windows have net. You can use windows net and we can use door and net. Come to your refresh here. Okay, you can close and then open, your choice. Okay, and just see, you can go camping, and your friend 4%, 2%, 3% can use this one, can sleeping night. And waterproof, and this is easy use, camping use in easy. Okay, this tent is automatically, and I see have net. You can use this net and open the door, no come inside the hut. Okay, inside you just close the this net and close the this door. If you sleeping night, you close door. Okay, enjoy your camping, and must be used like 10. Okay, this tent is heavy duty. You see how can I folding this and close. You see this top have inside have a spring, is heavy duty. Just you folding like this. See how can I folding this one, I close. You just like this top and have a spring skip and is a folding card. And see how can I folding this one. You just this stick you just little outside, then folding. You see, if you not little outside and uh, trick, this trick is not outside, it can broken. Okay, this stand is very easy use, and anywhere you can go. Okay, let's go for enjoy thrift, your thrift. And is heavy duty tent, 2 meter 2 meter, and waterproof tent. Okay, and you say